good, guys? Welcome back. Digital Slang back again with another video today. The Mpow Flame Pros, pair of over-the-ear style wireless earbuds from Mpow. Their latest released Flame Pro is 99 bucks. We're going to check them out. These are going to be very similar to the PowerBeats Pro, except for that price tag on the PowerBeats Pro, which I'm a big fan. I love them, and I love the design for somebody that likes to work out or play sports. That design works. So I'm looking forward to these. And these come in at 99 bucks, and every now and then Amazon's going to have a coupon. When I bought these, I checked today when I'm making this video, and the coupon's no longer there, but keep checking. I had a $15 off coupon last week when I purchased these, so I picked them up with tax. It was around 84 bucks, but 99 bucks right now on Amazon. I'll drop the link below. If you're new to the channel, guys, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell for all the latest updates whenever we drop a video here on Digital Slang. So let's take a look at the box. Mpow, these are what they look like. This is a picture. Case is going to be very similar to the PowerBeats Pro, as well as the style again, but this case does support wireless charging, unlike the PowerBeats Pro. Mpow Flame Pro True Wireless Earbuds is going to tell us a little bit more about the specs here, and we'll go over that in a sec. On the side of the box, another picture and a little bit more about the specs. Now, these do support touch controls as well as a side button, and we'll check it out, and we'll do it when we do the testing. But I believe the side buttons are going to control the volume, and the touch controls will control the rest. And there is in-ear detection, so when you take them out of your ear, they're going to play and pause. Wireless charging case, a little bit more of the specs on the back, and just some more of the features. Now again, specs, Bluetooth 5.0, battery life on here, you're going to get about 8 hours of juice and 24 hours extra with the case, so about 32 hours of total battery life on here, so not bad. And again, these do support wireless charging, but it will also come with a Type-C connector. Now, as far as the mics go on here, there are 4 mics, and they put a lot of work into the mics, and it does support the CVC 8.0 technology. So we're going to do a mic test, and the mic should sound pretty good, but we'll test it out, and you guys can be the judge of that. But let's jump in, we'll open it up, and we'll check it out. So as we slide this out, on the bottom is a card. It says, Amazon, congratulations. You have been chosen as a lucky customer to get an Amazon gift card. Check that out. I just won a $20 Amazon gift card. I've never seen that, never heard of that. Is it real? To redeem your gift card, you only need to sign into your Amazon account and find us. Wow, pretty cool. I just won a $20 gift card by buying the Mpow Flame Pros. It's pretty dope. I didn't even know Amazon did that. Talk about an unboxing experience. I'm starting to sweat. Let's get rid of that. So we do have the same foil logo on top of the inner box that we had on the Flame 2s. And let's talk about the Flame 2s really quick. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I'll put it in the cards above here. But those were really cool, very similar to this style, except they had that little neck band that goes around your head. But those sounded really good. So I'm hoping these are very comparable as far as sound goes. So let's open it up, we'll check it out. So this looks like it slides off. Take it out, and there is the Mpow case, and again, very similar to the PowerBeats Pro case, a hard plastic shell. It does have the Mpow logo on top. Also in the box, we're going to get our USB Type-C to charge, and we're going to get a bunch of extra silicone tips, extra small through large. So again, pick out that right tip, because it will make a big difference when you're listening to content and music. So it's going to talk about charging. There is a 2-year free warranty on here if you activate it within 15 days of when you purchase it. So I will be taking advantage of that. And then we also have the instructions and how to connect them, and basically the user's manual. And it will tell you how to use the touch controls as well. But we're just going to check these things out. Take off this plastic. There is a bit of plastic here on the side. It's a solid case, it's got some weight to it, and again, this does support wireless charging. So we have the Mpow logo on the top and the hinge on the back with the USB Type-C to charge. And if we open these up, you're going to see LED lights here on the front as well. And if we open it up, there are the Mpows. And these things, I love this design for somebody that used to play a lot of sports and works out. I need to work out a little more, but I'm looking for a good solid pair. You know, I tried the B10, I tried a bunch of the clones, and they just aren't doing the job. So hopefully these things sound legit. They look dope, they look smooth. It's a matte black color. You know, I dig that. So let's connect them and we'll start all the testing. All right, guys, so the way these connect, you go into your Bluetooth settings, just like any old Bluetooth device, Mpow Flame Pro, it automatically pops up. You don't even have to lift it, but you do have to take these out. And when you take these out, you click on connect and they should connect. And if they don't connect right away, which they do, there is another way to connect them. If you hold these top buttons for 2 seconds each, they will automatically pair that way as well. But we are connected. I'm gonna throw them in, we'll check them out, we'll check out the look, and then we'll start the testing. All right, so they are in and they feel snug, they feel really good. These things aren't moving anywhere. If you guys can see, they wrap around nicely. And I didn't even have to change out the tip. I think this is a good seal for me, but we're gonna try it out. Again, these do have buttons on top and they do support the touch controls on the side as well. But we'll go over that right now. I just wanna hear how they sound. We're gonna play some music and we'll check them out. These things sound really good. There's some bass, it's clear. These things are legit for 99 bucks. The bass hits, if you're a bass head and if you like that heavy hitting thump, these are gonna be the pair for you. Look, the PowerBeats Pro, I've wanted them. I never bought the real PowerBeats Pro. I've bought the clones. I've tried the real ones, but the price tag on those was just too much for me. I just couldn't go there. I've tried them and I like them a lot. And I've been going back and forth whether I should pick them up, whether I should just keep looking, right? And I did keep looking, and now these just dropped, and these things are legit. They sound better. Again, I've used the PowerBeats Pro. These things sound better than the PowerBeats Pro. I'm saying that right now. There's more bass. They sound really good, crystal clear. But let's keep going with the testing. We're gonna check out the latency now, see if there's any delay between audio and video. So we'll jump into YouTube. No delay between audio and video, so these things are a solid pair of buds already. The fact that YouTube, iOS device, and iPhone, there's always a problem with earbuds, but these things are legit. No delay whatsoever between audio and video. Next test, I'm just going to show you guys how the in-ear detection works. Now, you cannot use one at a time. If you take one out and you put it into your case, they're going to disconnect. But if you want to take one out just to pause it, you can do that. So if we play music, and you take it out, it does pause. And when you put it back in your ear, it's automatically going to play. So in-ear detection does work. Now it does say there is some noise cancellation technology in the mic. So the 4 mics, it's going to sound clear. It's going to take out some of the outside noise just for the microphone. So when you're talking on the phone, it should sound really good, but we'll test that out in a minute. So in-ear detection does work. You cannot use one at a time. No delay between audio and video. And the sound quality on these things is legit. They sound really good. They're dope. I like them a lot. I'm going to use these. These will be one of the pairs that I use day in and day out. But let's keep going with the testing. We're going to try the touch controls and we're going to see how it works. Now, if I play some music and we just tap on either side, the left or the right, just one tap, play some music. One tap on the right, it's going to pause. One tap again, play. One tap on the left, it's going to pause. And if we hit it again, it's going to play. Now the button on the top is going to control the volume. The right side, the volume is going down. And on the left side, it's the same thing. So these 2 buttons on the top are your volume controls. And it's dual controls. You can do it from either side. They both work the same. So I kind of dig that on either side you do have a volume control. I'm not used to that with a pair of earbuds. Usually it's one side controls going up, one side controls going down. But the left and right bud both do the same thing so far as playing pause And as far as volume control and the fact that we get volume control on here, I love it. Also, the volume controls that are on top, they're also going to control next track and previous track. And these things are really cool because, again, you get dual controls from each side, right? So the volume control, if I touch the top of the volume control, it's going to go to the next track. And if I hit the back side of the volume control, it's going to go to the previous track. And it's the same on both sides. So both sides will work. So if I play a song on the right bud, if I hold the top part, goes to the next track, hit it again, next track. And the bottom part of the button, previous track, once again, previous track, and it's instant. It works very well, very responsive. And the left side does the exact same thing. Next track. And if we hit back, it's going to go back to the previous track. Now also the touch controls on the side of each bud, if we double tap, it's going to activate your voice assistant. What's up, Siri? Whether you're on Android or iOS, it's going to work. So the Mpow Flame Pro, guys, what do you guys think? These things, I like them a lot. These are one of my new favorite pairs of earbuds. These might be my favorite pair that I've tested. Again, I've wanted a pair like this over-the-ear style for working out, something that won't move at all. And these things are going to do the job. The touch controls on here are probably, between the touch controls and the sound quality, those are my two favorite things. The sound quality, it's great. No complaints whatsoever. You're going to like how these sound. No matter what sound profile you enjoy, you're going to like these. And they're loud. They're not excessively loud, right? I've said in past videos that I like overkill. These, you don't need it. They just sound great and they're loud enough. These things are legit. Touch controls, the right and the left bud do everything. Both buds do everything. Now, you cannot use one at a time, so that's probably the one downside. But in-ear detection works. No latency when you're watching video. So really good. Battery life on here, again, 8 hours of juice and another 24 with the case. Oh, we got to do a mic test. Let's do a mic test really quick. We'll check out how the mic sounds. You know, they're very, on Amazon, it does say 4 mics, and they're pushing 4 mics on the box as well. So let's check it out. Check out the mic. What up, guys? This is the mic test for the Flame Pro's CVC 8.0 noise canceling technology. Should make the mic sound really good. Let me know if it's true. Let me know. So the Mpow Flame Pros, guys, these things are legit one of my new favorite pairs of earbuds. These things overall, sound quality, a scale of 1 to 10, these things are a 9, 9.5. They sound fantastic. No complaints whatsoever. And the touch controls, again, these are probably my favorite thing about these. Each bud, each side does control everything, and that is really cool. It's probably the first time I've ever seen that on a pair of buds. If you guys know of a pair of earbuds that each bud controls everything, let me know. And I'm not talking about the right side controls the volume up, the left side controls the volume down. No, I want the right side controls the volume up and down, next track, previous track. The left side controls volume up and down, next track, previous. They control everything. So really cool. I've never seen it before on a pair of earbuds. I dig them. Mpow Flame Pros. I'll drop the link below. And look out for that coupon because I did get 15 bucks off on Amazon when I did buy these. And they came in one day. So fast shipping, not bad price for a fantastic pair of buds. And I just won a $20 gift card from Amazon. So it's a win-win for me. So if you guys pick them up, let me know what you guys think. The Mpow Flame Pros, again, hit that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back soon. Got a bunch of videos coming, a bunch of Wish.com videos. I got some Bose Quiet Comfort headphones off Wish.com for 36 bucks. So we're going to check them out, see if they're legit. But that's it. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back soon, guys. Peace.